Welcome back to MARIEJUMKITCHEN Kitchen. In today's class, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made this snow rice with veggies or white rice with veggies. You can see how beautiful and perfectly this is looking. So if this is what you would like to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. So to start with, for my rice, I'm going to be using 4 cups of rice, my carrots, chopped onions, my green pea, salt, and vegetable oil. So I'll first need to wash my rice thoroughly with salt, just to remove the excess starch in it. So I will start by pouring in my rice, add salt to it to wash all the excess starch in it. So you're going to wash this like 3 times just to remove all the dirt and the starch. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. So I've already washed this rice properly. You can see how clean the water is. So after this, you are going to strain your rice. So this is my perfectly washed rice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to boil the rice. So I already put my pot on the fire. So I'm going to add in my water for the boiling. So I will allow this to boil for 2 minutes before pouring in our rice. So our water is boiled already, you can see. So I'll go ahead by adding in my rice, my washed rice to it. So I'm going to add in my carrot. I love my carrot to be soft. I don't like it crunchy, so that's why I'm going to be adding it earlier enough for it to be properly cooked. So I'm going to add in my green pea also. You can see how beautiful that is coming up already. So my chopped onions, and a spoonful of salt, and a little bit of oil. We are going to allow this to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and later come back to check our rice for it not to be too soggy. So let's check how far enough our rice has gone. You can see how beautiful and bubbling that is looking already. So let's check it. The rice is still hard, so I'm going to be adding little water to it and allow it to cook for like a minute more. So let's check if our rice is already done. Wow, this is so beautiful and yummy already. So it is perfectly soft. Some people like to add in their veggies later on, but I love my own to be very soft. I don't like it crunchy, so that's why I decided to add in my veggies earlier enough. So after this, I'm going to pour in my rice in the strainer. So I'm going to pour in my rice inside the strainer just to strain all the excess water there before serving. You can see how beautiful this is looking and dry. our rice is perfectly done and not soggy. So I'm going to leave this to strain itself for some minutes before serving it with any stew of your choice. So guys, this is the outcome of our snow rice with veggies or white rice with veggies. As you can see how beautiful, lovely, colorful and delicious this is looking already. This is so perfect. So I'm going to be having my own with my mackerel stew. You can see how perfectly this combo is. Oh my, I can't wait to have this. So if you enjoyed this tutorial with me, kindly like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, share with your family and friend, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye.